Mantiques Network, happy Friday to you. Jeff and Jim here. We're actually in the same video this time, which you don't see. Most of you guys know that I'm from Chicago. I'm always bragging about this Chicago, that Chicago, whatever. Well, we had a nice lady, Julia O'Grady, that owns O'Grady's Barber Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Look at Jeff's, who's holding the cameras right now, video that we did on the restoration of barber chairs. She's got customers. She's got a really nice store, but she's got customers that don't like sitting in her crappy chairs. Matter of fact, they're refusing to sit in these chairs. And these are the chairs. So what we are going to do is she has shipped them out here to us, and we're going to get them restored. Then we're going to do a reveal to Julie and her staff at Crystal Lake via the iPad. Stay tuned.
Thanks for sitting in your chairs. So we're going to do your 5 barber chairs, and we're going to do a video through the process. So because this has been so well received, what we're going to start doing is for any major restoration projects, we're going to do a nice video through the whole project, and then we're going to give it to the person who sends in their restoration. So this is kind of a new thing. It's kind of fun. We're going to start doing videos for major restorations. So you guys, if you want them, you're going to see Julia's. You will get the same process when you send in some major restorations. This is going to be fun. We got your chairs in. I have to tell you, they're a real hairy mess, but we're digging into them. Jeff's going to go over some of the things that we're going to need to do. Jeff, tell them what some of our problems are.
Okay, so it took me 2 chairs to figure out why you have no tilt on these chairs. And basically, this piece right here does everything to make that tilt go back and forth. Luckily, 1 out of 5, we have one, so we can have this casted, made. So now, this will go in here. This.
Are you seeing that all of her customers had to sit upright?
Yeah, she had no tilt.
What kind of place is that?
Yeah.
So the moral of the story is
the moral of the story is this rod does your tilt, and without that piece and this pushing in, this can't slide back and forth to tilt.
Hey everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing? This is Jaime. I think I introduced him earlier this month as the newest member of the restoration team. We've got the first chair done for Julia O'Grady's Barbershop restoration of her chairs. So this is the first one. Julia, this is what they will look like. Take a look at the beautiful leather. All the piping looks beautiful. He's wiping down the chrome right now. But it is looking good. One down.
How are you doing today? So recently, Julia from O'Grady's Barbershop in Crystal Lake, Illinois contacted us after watching our barber chair restoration video. She wanted these 5 chairs restored, which were purchased brand new in the 60s and put in the barbershop, which apparently has been around since the turn of the century. We made arrangements to have these barber chairs picked up in Illinois, brought to the Mantiques Network. We redid the whole thing, beautiful plush leather, polished chrome. These things come out spectacular. She's going to have the best barbershop in Illinois. Let me show you how one of them look. Look at this piece of artwork. This is a matching set of 5. Everything is polished. So for you folks out there who want restorations done, get in touch with us. We have shipping arrangements as we did here. These will be going out this week. They're all completely functional. The barbershop thing is absolutely hot. So if you have something you want to do, look at this set, killer, killer, killer. We can do this for you as well. So contact us. We'll make arrangements to pick them up. And congratulations, Julia, and thank you for your business.
Network, how you doing today? We got another shipment of one of our gaming tables go out, and I just got notification from Julia's barbershop, O'Grady's Barbershop in Crystal Lake, that they just got the chairs. Let's go check them out.
Okay. Hello. Hi dear. How are you guys today? Have a nice day.
Bye-bye, thank you. Chairs are back and in the shop. They look beautiful. 1, 2, 3, unwrapping 4, and number 5.
Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.